Family businesses have always thrived on trust, relationships, and personal service.
But in today's fast-paced world, time is the biggest constraint,
There's long hours, there's endless operations, and constant problem solving.
which leave little room for what truly matters: customer engagement and business growth.
This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, becomes a game changer.
And AI isn't about replacing people, it's about empowering them.
Imagine automating repetitive tasks like inventory management, appointment scheduling, and customer inquiries.
Instead of spending hours on emails and paperwork, business owners can focus their teams on deepening customer relationships and driving innovation.
One family-run retail store implemented AI-driven customer service chatbots, which reduced response times by 60%, and it freed up their team to focus on the in-store experiences.
A manufacturing business used AI-empowered analytics to optimize supply chain decisions, cutting costs while improving efficiency.
AI isn't just for tech giants. It's for businesses that want to work smarter and not harder.
By applying AI strategically, family business owners can regain their time, energy, and passion so they can lead, grow, and create a lasting legacy.
How is your business leveraging AI to free up time?